Yo, what? Yeah.
So, we're on a little road trip. We're doing a little travel. Going on a little vacation.
Work me ganga.
A vacation. Yeah, I like to see it as a vacation.
So first, we needed to drop off Little Bushy. We should have had him pick here and show you when we were driving to get dropped him off. Then I had to check on my vehicles to ensure get the insurance fit and ready for the road ahead. I want no accidents, no incidents on my journey, isn't it? So that's what I do.
So yeah,
we're off now.
Yeah, so I just had some of the chicken soup because yesterday beat me and it was really great. I tasted the festival, which was also great, and the jerk sausage, which was also great. So
yep, it is quite good.
We're going back on the road now. It's dark. Yeah, so bad lighting and all, but we arrived finally. Yeah.
On the roads, Jamaica.
Some lights on the road. Some lights, please government, just some light on the country road then. Okay, so I'm gonna show this in better lighting in the morning, but just for you to see how it looks at night. So now we're gonna see what the room looks like. It's a nice cozy room. We didn't get these, we bought them. I guess microwave and fridge and bed, a nice little closet. Matthew has his work clothes hanged up and all because his good girl wife ironed his clothes. Yeah, nice little shower, and you can see myself. Ooh, come on. Kind of hot, like it's very hot. I am at Tropics View Hotel in Manchester. Got complimentary breakfast, and that was really good. That was really good. And I left my tripod, my ring light at home, so we do apologize, and our mics, so we do apologize for maybe the bad quality in sound and the moving of the video, it not being steady and so on. So yeah, Big up to my nail tech, yeah, the gel bar JA girl, always have my nails coming out. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna probably just like do a tour of the compound for you guys just to see it. If you are ever looking to come to Manchester, it's not a 5-star, it's not the best, but I guess it has running hot water, has a pool, not in service right now. I went and I checked, it's not really so hot, but yeah. And also, me and Matthew, we have some exciting news coming up for you guys soon. Okay? Some exciting news, so stay tuned for that. Matthew's up right now, and I just wanted to, let me just turn back this way. I just wanted to add some spunk, some meat to this vlog. So I guess we came here last night and we stopped at Murray's to get some food, and then we got the food from here this morning. It wasn't like, oh wow, great, but it did taste good. It was indeed, as you could have seen, a great meal. So yeah. Alright, so right now I'm at the front. This is like the front where you have the restaurants and where you get your breakfast and so on. So let's take the adventure to see everything. So like they have different parts of the hotel, so like different rooms. There's block, I guess I am in block A, so you have A, B, C, D, and it goes among and beyond. This is not in use anymore. I'm thinking it used to be like a waterfall. So they have like a basketball. It's not a court, but like I guess for you to just play down there. Yeah. Earlier Matthew wanted to steal the cart that you're seeing now to like ride it around. It really does look a little cool. I can say that this hotel, I guess was when it just came about, I guess was in its prime, but right now it does need some renovation, especially like the pool. Like it's chipping away slowly. Like I was kind of somewhat saying, okay, I will probably like go in the pool, but it's not really saying come in for me. So yeah, this is basically this is another block for the hotel. Over there also behind the container is also another block, and I guess that building over there is like the services area. But apart from that, the place is well kept in regards to the, I guess, maintenance going on with the landscape and all. It's good, but I can say there is a downfall with in terms of, I think that the hotel would do much greater if it had a restaurant, like a real restaurant component to it, where it had a restaurant for like people could come to get like food and stuff in the day. So I see, they had an established restaurant for people to get their food. Like, people from outside to just come and stop. I think they will make a lot of profit from that because the grounds itself, the landscape and everything. It's a really beautiful scene here. So, yeah, I can say that they really did put in a lot of work on their landscaping because it's really nice. What happened to you, babe?
I feel like pepper and my tongue is in flames. I'm trying to eat and it's still killing me.
Look at the sweat, guys.
Guys, I don't know. I don't think it was a Scotch one. It feels like it was a bird pepper.
Yeah, well, Gwaan, guys. Well, Gwaan, we just finished having breakfast.
Right? It was a quite good breakfast. The stew chicken was lovely.
Yeah.
Stew chicken is good.
Back to me now. I do look nice in the shirt. Don't
It kind of
mind
look
the
like
hair.
yellow fits me, right? Doesn't it?
Yeah, so now I am going to accompany my dear husband to work, and then we go home. Yeah, stay tuned. Guys, like, why does this KFC look so hype? I've never ever like
at supermarket.
no, but look at niceness though. Like, why people say country not have no nice things? Like, why people leave from country and come to town?
Right?
Cake smart, see one pharmacy over there, so.
Look at beauty.
Babe,
Yeah.
what are your thoughts about St. Elizabeth so far?
Junction in st. Elizabeth is really nice. Like, I thought it was going to be like a small town, like, yeah, not really much. But it's actually surprising me. It looks like a little mini part of Kingston, right? You know? So I'm really.
Did you brush your hair this morning?
I think so, but you mess it up.
Alright. So we are now leaving St. Elizabeth and heading back to Manchester. Junction. I ain't gonna lie. I guess it would have been just a small little country town, but it's beyond that. It has a lot of plazas, not like small plazas, but like big plazas, and what you say, very large plazas.
What we call big in town isn't big.
Well, it's not as
It's
big.
a common thing here.
It's not as big as a tropical
Well,
or a village, I guess, but it's.
you sure about that? Some of them was even, one of them was even across the road.
Well, I guess yes, they're as big as tropical and village, but the way how they composite it is not the same. But if you calculate it, it's the same. So yeah, they are as big. The restaurant setup is nice. Yeah.
Never good at motors.
Junction of a bus. So I guess if you are ever looking, for something new, experience a road trip, if you're from Manchester, I guess you can just take the 30 minutes drive and just go over to Junction and for something new. It was nice. We didn't stop at any restaurant because we need to head back into Manchester to deal with a few things, so we're gonna have something to eat in Manchester.
My word to you today is stay encouraged. Find some way to feel encouraged about the situation that you're in. I think to look a little better. God is always showing a way in the desert, streams in the desert. To find them, look out for them.
Okay, so right now we're in Voila. Sorry for the bad lighting all over the place. Of course, because we love a belly, we didn't remember to take pictures of the food. But next time, we'll remember. We'll remember. But the food was really great. I had the signature burger and it was really nice, and wedges, which is also great. As he's currently finishing his plate of food with my last piece of burger. He had rice and peas and pork chops. He also tried ginger lime tea for the first time and he loved it. They have something called pot stickers, which is like dumpling, like Chinese dumpling, fried with some chicken filling inside. It was also really good, and we had that with a sweet chili sauce. And I had iced coffee, which was great. Actually, not many restaurants get iced coffee properly. How is the food, babe?
It's good.
Yeah.
Hola.
Hola. Oi.
What?
Yes.
Yeah.
Right. So we're on our way back home. Yes. So we did Manchester Junction, St. Elizabeth. Now we're in Clarendon, heading home. Yeah. Yeah, so we're home finally.
Yes, it has been a long day. As you can see, I'm tired.
And we're really tired. It's late. We're really tired. So thank you guys for watching.
Yes, thank you for watching. And remember to
like, share, and subscribe.
and
Yes. Live, love, and encourage.
Bye.